Disaster doesn't wait, and neither does AmeriDri. We're your first phone call when you're up against water, fire, mold, and sewage damage in Colorado Springs. For over 25 years, our local family-owned business has been restoring homes and a peace of mind across the Pikes Peak region. When the unexpected hits, you need a team that's ready. Our IICRC certified professionals are on call 24/7 and strive to arrive within 60 minutes. But speed is just the start. We don't just clean up, we restore your property to its original condition or better using advanced restoration equipment and techniques. We also navigate the complex insurance landscape for you, working directly with your provider to maximize your claim. Our comprehensive service includes everything from initial assessment to final restoration, with a satisfaction guarantee that other companies are afraid to match. Don't let disaster derail your life. Choose AmeriDri and experience the difference that true restoration professionals can make.